Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact CPM build and confirming you have admin rights. This matters because file paths and commands vary. Once done, back up the player profile and any wallet or coins file so you can revert if needed. Next, open the in-game console or server configuration folder and locate the coin balance variable or JSON entry. This is the first actionable step to correct negative balances without guessing. You now diagnose why coins went negative by checking the balance key and recent transaction logs. That tells you if it was a math bug or a bad transaction. Once identified, edit the balance entry to a safe baseline such as 0 or the server's configured minimum and correct any offending transaction entries. Make sure to validate JSON or CFG syntax before saving, because a broken file can stop the server from loading player data properly. You finish by restarting the server or forcing a player data reload, then check the in-game balance to confirm the fix. This ensures both file and runtime data match. If negative coins reappear, immediately roll back to your backup and enable detailed transaction logging to capture the failing operation. Finally, patch the offending script or add a guard clause to prevent negative subtraction. This fixes the root cause rather than just the symptom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.